Hey, it's Clay Trader, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol IPI. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually just today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I'll let you this time frame. I think does a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and just makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. And in this situation, makes mapping out a very logical question quite straightforward. And that question revolves around the fact that today the price made a really nice move. I mean, when you consider where the price was going into the day to where it ultimately closed up there, any rational person is going to agree that, yeah, the bulls definitely made some good solid progress today. But that brings about the very valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength, or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce type move? I have no idea, but like I said, by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it's all about a single level, and that level is right here at, what is that, $3.75. Why is $3.75 so important? Well, hopefully we can all agree on the logic that price movements with genuine strength, with true power, the price is going to progress forward. The price is not going to go back to where it was. I'm assuming you're saying, hey, thanks, Captain Obvious. Of course, if a price movement is truly powerful, it's not going to go back to where it was. That would be a contradiction. Exactly. So with that in mind, think about $3.75. Any sort of closes below it, or worse yet, if the price separates to the downside, what would that be doing to the price? That would literally be putting the price right back inside of this range that it just broke out from. Again, going back, not a sign of true strength. Whereas let's say the price pulls back here, bounces around like that, and then starts to work its way back upwards. What would you have in this situation? Well, you'd have a set of lows right here. You'd have this base of lows down there. If you picture each one of these as stair steps, well, hey, now you have stair steps progressing in the upwards direction. And that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do. It's going to make progress forward. And in this situation, I'm defining and quantifying the statement, make progress, as 375. Now, what about areas of resistance? For this, going to scrunch up the chart just to make sure. All right, there we go. That's what I was looking for. A little bit more data points to see if I could kind of nail down a more solid area, and that is right there at $4.10. You go back through the history of the chart, and you can see all sorts of price history, rejected by it, rejected. Fast forward to today, rejected right there. So it makes sense why 410, the price couldn't push through it. I'm not saying it's impossible to break through, just saying it makes sense why when you consider the past history. So 410, public enemy number 1 going into tomorrow. All in all, though, great day. Now it's just a matter of can the bulls build upon this momentum? We shall see. One of the biggest questions I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.